Let's dive into some absolutely fascinating facts about one of nature's most unique creatures, the giraffe. Trust me, these gentle giants are way more interesting than you might think. First off, did you know that giraffes are literally the tallest land animals on Earth? We're talking about adults that can reach heights of up to 18 feet. That's taller than two pickup trucks stacked on top of each other. And speaking of tall, a giraffe's neck alone can be 6 feet long, which is about as tall as most humans. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Baby giraffes enter the world with quite a dramatic entrance. They drop about 6 feet to the ground when they're born, but don't worry, they're up and running within an hour. Talk about hitting the ground running, right? Now let's talk about those gorgeous spots. Every giraffe has a unique pattern, just like our fingerprints. And these spots aren't just for show. They help with camouflage and temperature regulation. Plus, the darker the spots, the older the giraffe. Here's a weird one. Giraffes only need to drink once every few days. Why? Because they get most of their water from the leaves they eat. And speaking of eating, their tongues are absolutely wild. They're about 20 inches long and bluish-black in color to prevent sunburn. Yes, you heard that right, sunburn-proof tongues. Think you need a lot of sleep? Well, giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period, and they often do it standing up. And they do this in short 5-minute power naps. Talk about efficiency. Want to hear something romantic? Giraffes have their own version of dating. Males will drink a female's urine to determine if she's ready to mate. Okay, maybe not so romantic after all. Here's a cool one. A giraffe's heart weighs up to 25 pounds and is 2 feet long. They need this superpowered heart to pump blood all the way up that long neck to their brain. Did you know they have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans? Just 7. They're just much longer than ours. And their legs alone are taller than many humans, about 6 feet. They're also incredible runners, capable of reaching speeds up to 35 miles per hour. That's faster than most human athletes. And when they walk, they move both legs on one side of their body at the same time, rather than diagonal pairs like most four-legged animals. Sadly, these amazing creatures are vulnerable to extinction. Their population has declined by about 40% in the last 30 years. But here's some good news. There are lots of conservation efforts working to protect these magnificent animals. Here's a fun fact to wrap up. Baby giraffes are called calves, and they grow up to an inch a day in their first week of life. That's some serious growth spurt. These incredible animals truly are one of nature's most remarkable achievements. From their unique sleeping patterns to their supersized hearts, every aspect of a giraffe is fascinating. Next time you see one at a zoo or in a nature documentary, you'll know just how special they really are.